Show me how. Okay, I'm going to show you folks how to get yourself out of a big dilemma when you have glued ABS in the wrong place, using the wrong pipe, the wrong angle. And so what I have here is I have a 2-inch to a 1.5 reducer, male. And I don't have the room because I'm going into this tub with this branch. So I need to tie into the drain. The drain on your tubs are 1.5 inches, showers 2. So I went from 2 on my vent stack that's shared. That's why I have to go with a 2. So I reduced down right here. And I will show you that. Don't go anywhere. And then we're going to use this all cut. And then one of the best little gimmicks around is this little pipe fitting saver. And all it really is kind of it's a drill bit that tapers a little bit so you can get inside of your fitting that you want to save, yet remove all of the material from the pipe that is inside the female fitting, which is what you're always trying to save, not the male fitting. You're trying to save the female fitting, which is what I'm trying to do here, because what I'm going to do is transition into this with my reducer. Okay, so get close up on this. All right, you know I like to do unedited. I always like to do it unedited, unadulterated, unscript. See that fitting right there? So I'm going to cut that 2-inch to 1.5. I'm going to cut that off straight, and then I'm going to come in with that bit, okay, that you do not want to forget about having, or being able to tap into that bit right there, okay? So let's go do it right now. See how it works. Don't go anywhere, hang tight, and we're gonna nail it. You guys won't have to pay a plumber $1 bazillion, because we all know that plumbers are pirates. Side so folks can get a better view of this. Now if this doesn't going down all the way, you can use a Sawzall. So I may have to do. And I will. I'll get the Sawzall on it. Hang tight. All right, folks. So we're getting out the old Sawzall because I'll have a little length on that. All right. So hopefully I don't blast through these pipes down below. That'll really tick me off. myself if I had a better battery on. And I will get the battery on here. But I really want to show you folks the fitting. I have a basement down below, so hopefully it won't fall through. My goodness. Stubborn. Through here, okay. All right. Okay, folks, so you can see what's going on here. There is the inside that you want to get rid of. And here's what you're going to use right there. And that's going to remove the inside of the pipe. Hopefully you guys folks can see that. Make sure, see that? That takes out the inside without damaging the female end. Okay? All right, now, let me see if I can do this, shorten up, keep this video short and sweet. Folks, now you folks know I'm a big Makita guy. It's Makita all the way. If a guy comes to your house and he doesn't have Makita, or let's say Milwaukee, throw him out. And if he's using Harbor Freight, call the police. Okay, folks, so you're seeing it. And I'm going to try to get a close-up of this for you. All right, just don't go anywhere because you're not going to want to miss the grand finale. Okay, now you'll know if you were a success. Here's the fitting right here. Okay, now this, you're going, wait, that doesn't work. Of course it doesn't work. Because this is a 2-inch T, this is a 2 to 1.5, and you're going to see it's going to go in. You see that? And that's going to shorten my distance. Now, we'll clean it up a little bit more just because I have a little bit of debris here. See that? Not a big deal at all. So I just have a little bit more to go, and it's partially too because the fitting I have on there, I didn't cut it entirely off, but I will clean it up a little bit straighter. folks. All you saw me do right there was cut off the remains of the pipe that was going into it. So I still have this part of the fitting there. It's still clean. It basically separated where it was supposed to, okay? Because you can see here, I didn't take it all off because it's better to not cut off too much, right? Cut off too little is better than too much. So I'll go back in now and this should finish it out. It's really not too hard. It's like anything else, having the knowledge. So I have a little bit here to cut out, and that's it, folks. Okay, folks, I wanted to show you the final product and what it will look like, the fitment. So this is a reducer I'm going with, okay? And this goes inside. And you can see it's going to fit in there real nice, okay? And then I'm going to take this Santee and put in, and that's my reduce. And why I'm doing that is so this Santee is back closer to the wall on the tub so I can pick up the overflow. Otherwise, my overflow would have been way out here in the area of the tub. So that was my whole purpose to using this tool. I'm going to show you a close-up of what this looks like using that. All right, so show me how, just showed you how to clean out a fitting, save your fitting, because this would have been a nightmare, an absolute nightmare to redo. All right, so let me give you a better view here. This is what it looks like. Okay, I wanted you to get a better look. So, hence the edit. And then this will slip right in, okay? See that? That's gonna go right in there. And that again. Okay, I wanted to finish up with this so you folks could understand. So here's the overflow right here. So the way the pipe was previously, this overflow that you need the Santee for would have been too far back and would have hit the tub wall. So that's why I cut it. And then there is your new joint right there. And then I'm going to come up to this, and then I'll have my portion of the Santee coming out for the drain. So again, I just wanted to finish out with this, folks. It came out pretty good. I'm real happy with it. And here's that piece, okay? That's a street that will fit into the reducer, all right? And then I can move it this way so it fits up to the overflow. And it doesn't matter if it's round, that's irrelevant. It's just that slotted color because I got a really good deal on the tub, okay? Show me how, just showed you how to save a Santee by using a ASB fitting saver. All right, show me how. Thank you for watching, subscribing, following. Thank you, out.